channel. It is Naturally Kenken, and I'm back with another video. Today we are working with a lovely unit from Unice that I received. It's a glueless closure wig, and I'm showing you guys everything that they sent me in the package. It's this honey blonde. I've had a color like this before, but I'm excited to try theirs because their lace was like top tier. And it also comes with a band in the back to secure it really tight. And this is me installing it. Honestly, I feel like this video does better with you just watching. Like, me explaining it is not really gonna, I don't think it's gonna do it any justice. So I'm gonna be quiet and let y'all listen to music and let y'all watch me install this video or install this hair. But yeah, I'm pretty much choosing a side part. Your girl, if you look at all my hair tutorials, most of the styles I do are side parts. I love a nice deep side part. Like, it just frames my face so well. This hair was a little bit more on the blonde side, and it did blend in with my skin tone a little bit too much, but I feel like the style kind of made it look like a look, if that makes sense. But yeah, y'all, I'm just flattening it out. This is supposed to be a take out the box and go type of unit, so I'm showing you guys how easy it is. Like, I literally did nothing to this hair, did not bleach the knots, did not pluck it, I didn't do anything to it. I just threw it on top of my head, styled it, put baby hairs in it, and then just straightened it, and this is what it gave me. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch the video. If you guys have any questions and concerns on the install or the process of me installing this wig, or any questions at all, you can leave them in the comment section below, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, so at this portion of the video, I decided to put some layers into my hair because I always do a side part, but I never put like really prominent layers. So I wanted to see how that looked, and I'm not gonna lie, it actually ate. Like, it ate, especially when I flipped that mess back. Girl, I'm gonna have to do a style like that again, like another actual tutorial, because when I tell you that mess ate down, it ate down. I actually liked it a lot. But yeah, I put some layers on each side, and then the longer hair at the bottom, the hair that came to the bottom, I just flipped that under so that it can give like a 90s little short layered look. Like, you guys see what I'm going for. You guys see what I'm going for. So this is the final product. I love it. I absolutely love this. It's so cute. All the descriptions to the hair will be in my description box below. If you guys want to check it out, I suggest you do. If you like, tune into my other videos. I do have other videos coming this month. So let me know what you guys want to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.